Hey guys, Maria here. If you're a fresh grad, it can be hard to picture what a CSA really does. So, I wanted to bring you inside 5ELK. Our CSAs make most of the tribe working on the production floor in Cebu, Dumaguete, and Pampanga. And right now, supporting over 200 businesses in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. How cool is that? Oh, sorry guys, I'll move. So, what does a CSA actually do? Every role is different because every client business is different. You might be working on client financials, admin tasks, follow-ups, or business tracking. But hey, don't worry, you're never thrown in the deep end. You'll get 4 weeks of training, ongoing mentoring, and a coach on site to support you every day. Your role grows as your confidence grows. You will not be bored too. And it's not all about work here. This is our pantry. By day, it's meals, snacks, chats. After work, it comes alive with yoga, Toastmasters, singing, dancing, and more. You'll learn new skills for sure, but more importantly, you'll make real friends and find your place in the tribe. So, if you like what you see, if you want to be valued and rewarded for your contribution, if you want to learn and laugh, we'd love to have you on the team. Take the next step in your career journey and apply today.